Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to enable or disable camera in your Windows 10 PC. So let's start. First one, go to start and click on this gear icon for settings. Now in here click on privacy. Scroll down, click on camera. So here is the option camera access for this device is off. Click on change. Camera access for this device toggle into on position. Now also toggle into on position, allow apps to access your camera. If you allow access, you can choose which apps can access your camera by using the settings on this page. So here is a list of application, and we allow to access the camera. So in the camera, turn on Instagram, Google Chrome and Desktop X. So if you're not sure, so toggle all the application in on position, and if you sure any particular application you want to access your camera, so simple that toggle into on position on particular app. And if you want to disable access your camera, so toggle into off position. So that's it. By this easy and simple settings, you can enable or disable camera on your Windows 10 PC. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.